We're here today on the Environment Agency site on the small River Lee. The Environment Agency had assessed the state of the old bridge and deemed it was in need of repair. The deck plates had started to rust off. Quite a few of them were actually loose. They came to ECS and we gave them the option of either refurbishing the bridge or having this new bridge fitted. ECS are the distributor for a company called Fibre Europe, where they make fibre products, and this one is called Enfield inside, basically a fibre reinforced polymer bridge. The main advantage of this bridge is it's a lightweight bridge, but they're very strong, very durable as well. So we have done previous bridges similar to this for the Environment Agency already, so they're aware of our expertise in procuring these and fitting them. As this site is quite restricted because of all the undergrowth, we did look at the options of either using a crane or a high-ab. We wouldn't have got a crane actually in on the site, and a high-ab would have been a long reach, so we looked at using a telehandler instead, which was more manoeuvrable around the site. So we've actually gone and using a telehandler to actually fit the bridge. This project has gone very well. This innovative new material from Fibre Europe has enabled ECS to deliver this bridge for the Environment Agency within 2 days of arriving on site.